This lesson covers irregular Portuguese verbs under both the imperfect subjunctive and future subjunctive. To form the stem for the imperfect subjunctive and future subjunctive, verbs will take their third-person plural preterite form and remove the aram, eram, or iram ending. And to this stem we add the imperfect subjunctive or future subjunctive endings afterwards. And the only verbs that are irregular under the imperfect subjunctive or future subjunctive are those verbs that are irregular in the preterite third-person plural form. These are verbs who have irregular third-person plural preterite forms, and from those forms we derive the irregular imperfect subjunctive and future subjunctive stem. The verb ver will take the ir endings in the imperfect subjunctive and future subjunctive. All of the other verbs, including estar, dar, and por, will take the er endings. These are the imperfect subjunctive and future subjunctive conjugations for ver, and remember it is the only one of these verbs that takes the ir endings. Vise, vises, vise, visemos, viseis, visem. Vir, vires, vir, virmos, virges, virem. The rest of these verbs take the er endings under the imperfect and future subjunctive, such as por. Pusese, puseses, pusese, pusesemos, puseseis, pusesem. Puser, puseres, puser, pusermos, puserges, pusere. And one more example, the verb prazer. Pruvese, pruveses, pruvese, pruvesemos, pruveseis, pruvesem. Pruver, pruveres, pruver, pruvermos, pruverges, pruverem. The verbs ir and ser are identical in the preterite, so they are also identical in the imperfect and future subjunctive. They also have irregular endings for both the imperfect subjunctive and future subjunctive. The imperfect subjunctive and future subjunctive conjugations for the verbs ir and ser. Fosse, fosses, fosse, fossemos, fosseis, fossem. For, fores, for, formos, forges, forem. And that covers irregular Portuguese verbs under both the imperfect subjunctive and future subjunctive. I again apologize for any mispronunciations I may have, as I am not a Portuguese speaker. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.